Hello there. The next feature we are going to look at in the Mobimatic App Builder is the code scan feature. The code scan is pretty much just a QR code scanner that will allow users to use this app to scan QR codes, and they will be directed to whatever that QR code stands for. So it can be used in conjunction with a whole bunch of the other features like contests, coupons, things like that, or it can be for scanning outside QR codes. So yeah, anything that works with a QR code. If you want to use QR codes, you can add the code scan feature into your Mobimatic app. There's nothing to set up really. You can change the name and you can change the icon, but the fact is it's just a QR code scanner. And if you want to be using QR codes, then it's a good thing to install the code scanner so that people can scan QR codes directly from your application. And that's it. See you in the next video.